So this is how I do my signature kohl eyes. So first I lightly apply kajal to my waterline, then to my tight line. Applying it on the tight line makes such a huge difference as it properly defines and enlarges your eyes, and then I apply a second coat to the lash line to make it a bit darker. Now with the same kajal, apply a fine line on upper lash line and you have to quickly blend with the blending brush. It creates a very soft smoky look which looks very stunning. Complete it with mascara that elevates your whole eye look and makes it super classy. Guys always ask how to remove waterproof kajal or mascara, so this is what I do. Start with a cleansing balm or oil of your choice. Massage it gently over your eyes about 10 seconds. Then wipe it off with a damp cotton pad. Now take a micellar water on a cotton bud or a pad and use it gently. This ensures that anything left behind is wiped off completely. Hope it's helpful. Bye.